Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics. Today we're diving into a topic that might sound impossible to some: how to make accounting fun for kids. Yep, you heard that right. Fun and accounting in the same sentence. Let's get into it. Let's face it, when most people hear accounting, they think spreadsheets, taxes, and maybe a few yawns. But what if I told you accounting is really just about understanding money, value, and decisions, and that kids can learn it just like they learn to count or play games? The secret? Make it hands-on, relatable, and playful. Tip number 1, playing money games. One of the easiest ways to teach kids accounting basics is through money games. Games like Monopoly, the Game of Life, or even setting up a toy store at home help kids handle transactions, make spending decisions, understand saving versus spending, and yes, keep a simple ledger. You can even level it up with a toy cash register, fake money, or a pretend bank. Let your child be the cashier or the banker. It gives them a sense of responsibility and introduces accounting in a fun, non-intimidating way. Tip number 2, allowance with a twist. If your child receives an allowance, try turning it into a mini accounting exercise. Here's how. First, create a simple budget worksheet. Break allowances into categories: spend, save, give. Have them track their money weekly in a colorful journal or spreadsheet. They can even set savings goals, like, let's say, a new toy or a game, and learn delayed gratification. You're teaching goal setting, tracking, and accountability, all key accounting concepts. Tip number 3, storytelling. Young kids love stories, so why not create one around accounting? Meet Penny the Penguin, who runs an ice cream shop in the Arctic. She has to buy ingredients, sell ice cream cones, pay her penguin employees, and save for a new freezer. You can turn accounting terms into characters like Budget Bunny, Savings Shark. Trust me, storytelling sticks. Tip number 4, start a mini business. Nothing teaches accounting better than running a mini business. Encourage your child to start a lemonade stand, sell handmade bracelets, offer dog walking or yard work services. Then, help them track their income, expenses like supplies, profit, and savings. You're giving them a real-life experience with revenue, cost, and profit margins. And guess what? You just taught a 10-year-old about net income. So, there you have it. Accounting doesn't have to be boring or overwhelming. When it's made interactive, playful, and real-world, kids not only understand it, they enjoy it. Remember, the earlier they learn money and numbers, the more confident they'll be later in life, whether they're balancing a checkbook or running their own business one day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll see you in the next one.